Hi, I'm Ryan Schmidt, and today I'll be talking about texting and driving. Have you ever been driving down the road and you get a text, maybe from your mom, your sister, grandma? It seems innocent, but it's going to cause a lot of problems down the road because you're not thinking about, once you check that phone, the effects it's going to have. Throughout the 21st century, cell phones have been a primary component in our everyday lives. Cell phones have made many positive results, such as communication with your distant family, mom, dad, grandma, friends, maybe from high school. It allows you over many states past, you got distance and you can spread information in seconds. And you'd have constant entertainment and you have GPS to get wherever you'd like. Although cell phones have made many positive contributions to society, they're also the leading cause of car accidents. How many times have you been driving down the road, like I said, and you look and check your phone to see who it is? Probably too many times to count, right? I'm guilty of falling into this death trap myself. In 2013, approximately 1.2 car crashes involved a cell phone, and 341,000 were text message related. According to a Virginia Tech Transportation Institute study of commercial driver discovered that texting and driving is the most dangerous form of distracted driving. The study also found that texting and driving makes the driver 23 more times likely to wreck. Doesn't sound worth it to me. Does it sound worth it to you? I think not. Many people do not realize that when you're texting and driving, you're risking your life, others' lives, and you're negatively influencing those around you. Your friend sees you texting and driving, they're going to think it's okay for them to text and drive. And so you're having a negative impact on their life, and they might even cost them their life because they think it is okay. Texting and driving has obviously been a large issue over the last decade. Many different individuals, companies, have gone into extensive research trying to reduce the issue. All these people going into different types of research trying to figure out how we can fix this issue, yet people still elect to do so. Some people choose to use hands-free, some voice to text, but according to AAA, Foundation of Safety, research shows that voice-activated in-car technologies dangerously undermine drivers' attention. No matter your route of access, texting and driving should never be an option. Cell phone usage while operating a motor vehicle is most common in teenagers and young adults, such as college students and high school students, who seem to think that they know what they're doing even though they've had maybe a couple years of experience, as opposed to our parents who still elect to text and drive, although they have had several more years under their belt of driving. If this is such a dangerous habit, why do we do it? I've wondered the same question myself for a long time, which is why I went into this research. I believe those who text and drive do so because they have not been directly affected. You haven't had a family member lost, you have not actually gotten into an accident in result of it, so you don't think that it will actually affect you. And that is why a lot of people elect to do so. It is easy to become a distracted driver. However, there are a lot of ways to prevent it. In order to prevent yourself from becoming distracted and unaware because of the temptations, cell phone carriers such as Sprint have created an app which disables your phone while you're driving. Unfortunately, this app has not gained popularity among drivers. I believe Sprint had a great idea, but they did not go about it correctly. If they had mass-produced it, and put it on all different types of phone, factory installed before being sold to the consumer. If every phone had this app on it, to when they do get to driving and in motion, their phone shuts off. I'm sure it would anger a lot of people, but it would lower the amount of accidents and fatalities phenomenally. And that is what we're really looking for. That is the big picture here. Is we want to lower the amount of car accidents. I'm sure some people will be angry, but That's life. As I said before, texting and driving is the leading cause of car accidents, so I advise you to not tempt fate. That text can wait.